y'all doing today? This is Mr. Golf. I'm back at it again. This one we're gonna be doing mouth care. Mouth care is pretty easy. One thing you want to make sure you have set up is that if you have a proctor that only puts out these two, such as water and a basin, make sure you grab a second basin because you're going to need something to rinse his mouth, put all the contents of his mouth after you rinse it into an empty basin, and make sure you put the toothpaste and the toothbrush in the basin that you found it in. Add a cup of water so that you can have one for soaking the toothbrush and one for rinsing. So one thing about us, we have a basin that you can actually hold on to while you put it up beneath his mouth, okay? So that's what we have. So let's get started on the skill, okay? How you doing, Mr. Johnson? My name is Mr. Golf. I'll be your CNA today. Before I get started on your mouth care, I'm gonna go wash my hands, put my gloves on, provide privacy, okay? And I'll be right back. So I provide privacy. When you're doing mouth care, you actually have to put on gloves. So I'm gonna simulate washing my hands and I'm gonna put on my gloves. I'm gonna gather my supplies. Good. And I got my clothes protector. I'm going to soak my toothbrush. I'm gonna ask Mr. Johnson sit up. By having him sit up, I'm ensuring that he's sitting at a 90-degree angle. Good. Please, Mr. Johnson, please sit up. Sit to the edge of the bed. Good. I'm going to place the tray in front of him. I'm going to put his clothes protector on. Good. I have let my toothbrush soak long enough to soften the bristles. I'm going to apply the paste without letting it touch the bristles. I'm going to place this back. I'm going to place this, the basin, and action cheese, and I'm going to brush all surface of his teeth. And then I'm going to stick out his tongue, and then I'm going to brush his tongue. Once I do that, I'm going to place the toothbrush back into the basin, and then I'm going to ask him to drink some water, rinse slowly, and then we're going to do it again. Rinse slowly. Good. Now, once that's done, I'm going to clean Mr. Johnson up. Here. Place that in the designated dirty area. Then I'm going to wipe his face with the towel. Once I do that, I'm going to remove my items. Place my wipes inside the designated dirty area. Place my towel in the soil container, and then I'm gonna come to the kitchen. Remember, the only thing that you could toss out is the 2 cups. I'm going to rinse, toothbrush. I'm going to rinse, basin, and I'm going to dry basin. So you're going to rinse and dry basin. Place items back in. I'm going to rinse the basin. And I'm going to dry the basin. So you have to rinse and dry both basins. Good. I'm going to place in a designated dirty area. Good. Now I'm going to do my 3-part step. I'm going to remove my gloves. dispose of my gloves, I'm going to simulate washing my hands. I'm grab a paper towel, turn off both faucets, and I'm gonna go back in to finish the task. I'm gonna give Mr. Johnson his call bell in hand. I'm gonna make sure the bed is in the lowest position. I'm gonna remove his table from underneath of him. I'm gonna have him sitting up for 30 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna release privacy. I'm going to document task complete.